Let me show you how you can have this dip ready by halftime or maybe by the end of the first quarter. This is the pound of ground beef crumbles that you buy frozen, store frozen, and cook from frozen. They're 100% all natural ground beef, and I'm using the one with onions. We're gonna let that simmer in the skillet. It takes less than 10 minutes to go from frozen to browned. I only have to stir them one time, and it looks just like that. You see they're ready to go. I'm gonna have the queso melting at the same time. You can do that in a little crock pot dipper like that, or you can do it in a microwavable bowl. We're gonna melt the cheese, diced tomatoes with chilies and extra green chilies, and then once that's melted, we're gonna add the crumbles right in there, and look at that hearty, affordable, magical dip that you can have ready in time. You can find the pound of ground crumbles and their burger thins in the frozen meat section of your local grocery store, and you can order them from Amazon Fresh. Hope you enjoy this amazing dip.